shop the Divine collection from ENL Beauty. This is our limited collection. Order it right now from our website www.enlbeautyng.com. Hey guys, Linda is immediately here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to respond to a question from one of my subscribers. Her name is Annie Dolakbo. She asked, please, is Vietnamese straight hair the same as bone straight hair? It's a very simple question to answer. Yes, Vietnamese straight hair is the same as bone straight hair. Well, not completely true, because various places where you source hair extensions from also process their straight hair to be bone straight. So therefore, bone straight is just a style. It's just a style of hair extension. It's not the same as Vietnamese straight hair. It's commonly agreed that Vietnamese straight hair seems to be like the best bone straight hair that is available in the market, though there are other contenders for this award, such as the Filipino straight hair. But most commonly, people tend to say Vietnamese straight hair, Vietnamese companies tend to have the best bone straight hair. But Vietnamese straight hair is definitely not the same thing as bone straight hair. Bone straight hair is just a style. You can get bone straight hair in China, you can get bone straight hair in the Philippines, you can get bone straight hair in India, you can get bone straight hair in where else again? I think in Indonesia, I think. You would see people also sell Peruvian bone straight hair. You would see all those things. So bone straight hair is just a style. It is not the same as Vietnamese straight hair. I hope I was able to answer your question. Thank you so much for leaving your question. And if you have more questions, leave it in the comment section. And if you want me to respond to you, please make sure you subscribe, because if you're not a subscriber, I will not be responding to your question. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and please check out my new book, How to Start Your Hair Business. If you're looking towards starting your hair business in 2023, that is the book for you. You need to read this book because knowledge is power. Also, if you're somebody who likes to test various hair vendors, you're looking to test the hair quality to know what is the best hair quality for you to start your hair business with, check out my new book, Hair Extensions and How to Test Its Quality. It's going to be available for sale on my website, and possibly for those who want to get the paperback copy of the book, you're gonna need to go to Amazon to buy the paperback version of the book. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I will see you in my next one. Please subscribe. Bye.